Hi everyone, it's Jean here from Decorate for the Culture, and today we'll be reviewing this, the GorillaPod Mobile Vlogging Kit by Joby. I purchased it from Amazon less than a month ago for $200. So in regards to packaging, I really liked it. It's nice, clean design. In the back of the box, it shows you everything that's included in the kit. So let's take a closer look. And here's the back of the box. It's the mobile rig, the Wavo mobile microphone, that's just the brand name, the Beamo LED Light, I already have mine built. You have 3 legs and 2 arms, and it's optional. You can take an arm off if you like. Here's where you place your phone. So whether you want a horizontal or vertical, you can change it easily and then lock it over here on the back. Here is where you can adjust the angle. So if we straighten this up and we just hold it, I love that this is so flexible. You can put the arms up, you can put it down. Here's the microphone. This is optional. If you want it covered, you can also take it off. And it's just a plain old microphone. And then here, this is the attachment. So you can attach it here on an arm. You can also put the microphone above your phone. In order to do that, first you need to loosen it and remove this piece. And now we can slide it in like so. And tighten it. And there you have it above your phone. And up here, it swivels. So even though it's above your phone, if you want it at an angle, you can do that as well. I'm going to attach this piece back on because I do prefer it to be on one of the arms. And of course, here we have the cord. The kit brings the adapter for an iPhone, which is great. Here we have the Beamo Light. It does have this cover. You can remove the cover. My only negative is that I wish the cover had more of a snap closure. I feel like it can easily fall off, especially because this is a mobile vlogging kit. Let's take it off. Over here is where you charge it. And of course, it brings the cord for that. There's 2 areas. This section is to put it above your phone, and here is to screw it into one of the arms. here is for the light. This one on the right side, it has like a little raised button. That's to turn it on. And that's pretty bright. And the button right next to it is to brighten it. This is at its brightest setting, which is pretty powerful. If you want to dim it, you bring it down. And of course, you can put the cover. Battery life really depends on how strong you put the beam. And to turn it off, you hold the right button. Just slide it in. And there you have it. If you want it here. And of course, you can move it, so it'll still be at an angle. Everything depends on the space you're in and how you're holding it. I like to show the measurement. The height really depends on how you have the legs open. You measure it. It's a little over a foot in height. The width depends on how you have the arms, but it's definitely over a foot. These are the instruction manuals. This is specifically about the Beamo light, which you can also access the light through an app on your phone. This is all about the pieces, the attachments, and this one is about the microphone. So it's very specific, which is nice. Something else I love about this mobile vlogging kit is that it's very lightweight. It's not heavy, and that's important, right? Because if you're on the go and you're facing it, right, whatever the angle is, and oh my God, it matters that it's not too heavy. Other things included in the kit is a small pouch for the smaller accessories, wires to charge it, and other pieces to adapt it. If you feel like you need more light, you can buy another Beamo light and attach it however you prefer. You can have one on each end and the microphone on top. It's all up to you. The one thing I would suggest buying is some sort of a case or a bag, because the Beamo light could be sensitive. If you don't have this silicone to protect it, you have to be careful. I personally like the kit because it's easy to use. I was looking online, other YouTube videos of how you can create your own kit, but it was different quality and there were a lot more attachments so that it was functional. So this made it very easy, and at $200, you pay more for your phone, right? So if you really want a good video, you might as well make the investment. I like it for close-ups and angles. I like to do how-to videos. If you see my other videos, I'm showing you how to create a decorative plate, and I needed something that had a close-up. I have a tripod with a ring light, but it's not as flexible, and this certainly is. So that's why I like it. there you have it. That's my review on the GorillaPod Mobile Vlogging Kit, and I hope that helped you make a more informed decision on your purchase. Until next time, thanks. Oh, please don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and look at my other reviews.